One of the most common requirements for a graphic designer is to generate or create logos for various purposes as fast as possible. I have seen companies and various websites or even applications, they need logos very frequently for one thing or another. So it becomes quite a hectic job for a graphic designer to generate logos on the fly, and that is where generative AI can help. In this video, I'm going to show you this very fascinating, easy to use tool from Logo Diffusion through which you can create logos within seconds by using generative AI. I'll drop the link to their website in video's description so that you can play along. And their website is full of uh, tips and tricks and lot of things which you can simply use in order to create your logos. As you can see on your screen, all they are doing it, they are just giving text prompts, and on the basis of that text prompt the logos are being defined. And the great thing is that you can try it out for free, and even the paid subscription is quite, I would say, economical, and I will show you shortly. So let's get started. Sign up with your email for a free account, and once you sign up you'll be presented with this screen. For example, I just want to say that I want to be a creative professional. Select this after logging in. Then I will say I want to use it maybe for my in. So it says where did you hear about it? I'll say search engine. And next, and design a logo for my business, logo for a client, curious about AI tool. I'll just say design a logo for my business. Select next, and then just say got it here. And of course, it's a very popular tool. It has just been released, but already a very popular. So now here you can create with your own company's image or you with a text. Let's go with a text, and I'll just add my text here. I'll say some catchy logo for a YouTube channel which deals in AI and cloud. It's pretty generic, and then click on generate, and you can see that there are 8 credits available. Now once you click on generate, it asks you 2D or 3D. I'll go with 3D, and in 3D, what exactly you want. So maybe I'll just go with this one, futuristic, and then generate. And it seems that okay, so there you go. It says that due to high demand, they have paused image generation for free plans for now. So well, it was working before, but now you have to pay for it. And for basic subscription, they are asking for $24 per month, and there are 1,000 credits. And for pro subscription, it is 49, and for 10,000 credit for 149. Anyway, so if you are a very frequent graphic designer who have to design and create logos very frequently, I think either one of these plan sounds good to me. And if you switch to yearly billing, it becomes even cheaper. So this is what you can go. I'm sorry I couldn't show you because of their high load. Nothing in my control here, and I'm not a graphic designer, so I'm not going to pay them to use this. But if you want to see how to do it, as I already showed you in this video from their website, all you need to do is to either provide this text or image in order to create a logo. Pretty interesting, I would say, and I'm more than sure that you will see more and more tools like this. And just a thought, that if you don't want to pay these guys, maybe go to the Hugging Face, and or maybe even to the chat GPT-4, pay them $20, and then from there you can just give it a text and ask it to generate a logo for you. So it should be good. So try it out. Maybe it will be cheaper, but this might even be using the same some sort of same thing, but I'm not sure. Anyway, so this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or thought, or if you know of any free service, please paste it in the comment for the community. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.